Hello everyone, welcome back to No Place Like Home. I am so glad to have y'all here with me today. And today I will be participating in an open collaboration with 4 fine creators. And their names are Shawni On The Spot, GG Fashion, Loving Home Decor, Debbie Bubble, and Laby Cinnamon. And they told us just pick whatever part in the house we decide to pick. I decided to do my fireplace because our title is Baby It's Cold Outside 2021. And I tell you what, it is cold outside. So I got my fireplace on, and so I'm going to decorate it. And as I decorate it, I will be telling you about these 4 fine ladies. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so these are the Dollars of Destiny. And first on my list, I have GG Fashion, Loving Home Decor. She does home decor, fashion, shopping, cooking, DIYs, and so much more. So go over and show her some love. Shawni On The Spot. Now she does DIYs, home decor, and she loves sharing her ideals and inspiring others. So go over to her channel and show her some love. Debbie Bubble. Now she does DIYs, she does tablescapes, she cooks, she cleans, anything on the list, she does them. So go over and show her some love. Laby Cinnamon. Now she does DIYs, home decor, she does shop with me, home tours, and design, and also lifestyle hacks. She does it all. So go over and show her some love. So these are the Dollars of Destiny, and I will be leaving their links below in the description box. Now I am finishing up on my decoration on my fireplace, and I will be back in just a little bit. So there you have it, my beautiful fireplace for the cold outside. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I have my hot chocolate to go along with my fireplace, and I'm gonna sit here a little bit. And before I leave, I just want to thank all my subscribers. I'd like to thank all my new subscribers for being with me here today. And don't forget to go over and check out the hashtag and the playlist, which is Baby It's Cold Outside 2021. And I also will be leaving a link at the below. Make sure you go through all the playlists that everybody that participated in this collab. And I hope you enjoy each and every one of them. And I am decorating my former living room. I'm getting ready for my sisters. We're gonna have ourselves a sister Christmas party, which we have every year. We didn't have it last year, but we will have it this year because we all done had our shots. So since we all done had our shots, we're gonna get together it will be like about 5 of them. And the special guest is going to be Miss Brenda D. So I'm going to decorate the table and for that, and that's going to be my next video. And she's going to cook something, and she's going to bring it over on next Saturday for our sister Christmas party. So make sure y'all tune into that, and I want y'all to have a blessed day and have a safe day. And don't forget that God do love you, and so do I. So I'm gonna sit here and have my chocolate, and y'all be blessed, be safe. Okay, bye-bye.